Hey there! In this video, I am going to show you how you can download SkLauncher on your PC and install it step by step. First of all, if you think the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. To download SkLauncher, you have to open a browser. I am opening Google Chrome for that, and search for SkLauncher. You will see their official website here. Look at the domain carefully. Do not download from any other platform to avoid malware. This is their official website, so we can trust this one. Just click on it and you will see this page here. You can see the download button here, but I recommend you to sign up here first. They have lots of free skins available, which you can see here, and you can also add your own skins. So go to the sign in page and click on register now. Put your email here and type your password in both fields. Both passwords should be the same. Check the boxes and click register. After the registration is complete, just sign in here. Go back to the home page again by clicking here. Here you can see the downloads option. Click here and you will be redirected to this page. Here you can see multiple options: Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Simply click on Windows and wait a little bit until it finishes loading. Then click on Download Installer. You can see your download here at the top right corner. Click on the file and open it, and follow these steps. Congratulations, your launcher has been installed successfully. Now you can play both online and offline. I am showing you the offline mode. Just click here on offline mode and choose a username here. Then simply click on play. Let me know if you face any kind of problem. I will try to make a video about that specific issue.